Is your child taking the PSLE this year? And do you want to give them an extra boost in English, math, or science? Hi parents, I'm Chris from RG Channel Future School, and we have an amazing PSLE intensive program lined up just to help your child ace their primary school leaving examinations. You might have already seen our first video where I talked about having solid revision notes, effective time management, and experienced mentors. Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about how RGC brings this all together for your child. First, let me say you're not going to find another PSLE program that is as comprehensive as ours is. If you register your child for all 3 subjects, here's what their program journey will look like. Well, it begins with more than 30 hours over 7 days of the July break. During this time, we'll do a topical review for math and science to make sure that your child has knowledge mastery of the concepts they need to know. On top of that, we'll put emphasis on math problem sums and science open-ended question skills. This ensures that your child knows not only how to solve the questions, but also how to answer them to maximize their marks. But that's not all. For English, your child will be taught to score the 15% that is allocated to the English oral examinations. This is a fun course that helps to improve their reading, speech, and conversation. And over the week, they will have 2 trial tests, followed by a full mock oral examination. Now, you might be wondering, what happened to English paper 1 and 2? Well, it didn't make sense to squeeze it into the July break, especially since you can't properly cram a writing program into a few short days. So these components are spread over the 5 weeks following the July break. Your child will review their English rules, pick up new comprehension answering techniques, and write full compositions to practice the skills we teach them to writing distinction caliber papers. Finally, if that's not enough, we have lined up sessions for your child to do simulated PSLEs in early September. This simulation will help to calm their nerves, build up their confidence, and identify any last areas of weakness that they should focus on. So, as you can tell, we've got a plan in place to help your child. We are excited to do so and can't wait to hear from you. So, get in touch with us today, and thanks very much.